Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me today. Of course, I am tapping in again from my home office because it is still snow out there. Well, listen, I just wanted to reach in. I was in prayer this morning and I wanted to let somebody know this one thing, and that is you are the secret that somebody regret keeping. I want to say it one more time. You are the secret that someone wish they never kept. I'm telling you today that you have a secret admirer. It's somebody that you used to talk to, that you were associated with. Maybe you may have been possibly interested in or entertaining, and they kept you a secret. They put you on pause. They made promises that they never could keep. They kept just stringing you along. They thought that you would always be there whenever they decided to make a move. And now you're gone. You decided to move on with your life. You decided to entertain bigger and better things. You decided to really get lost in God and in developing you. And now, because of that, that person wants to come forward and it is too late. See, it's too late. It's easy when you're in love with somebody, if you're really attracted to somebody and you're really feeling somebody, for you to wait sometimes. But when you really realize your value and your worth and everything that you represent, period, your mind, it begins to change. You begin to really sit down and really think about your life. Like, why would I wait around for a person? Why would I give someone that much power, that much headspace in my head rent free? Why would I even entertain certain people, certain energies, certain things that they would tell us? And that's what happens when you're not healed and when you're not whole. But because you really didn't have anything to fall back on, you didn't have anybody else to fall back on, you had nobody to save you, you had to really dig inside and figure yourself out and save yourself. You had to really reach, out and touch the hem of the garment of Jesus in your mind so that you could be made whole. You had to really begin to sit down and deal with some of the things that may have been, kind of sticking around from your childhood, things that you may have always done. You decided, in order for me to experience something different, then I have to move a little bit different. And so now you're moving differently now. Now they see you. Now they want to come forward. Now they want to lend you a hand. Now they want to say, I want to entertain a relationship with you. I want to give you that promotion on that job. I want to give you this position. I want to partner with you. But now you don't care. Now you don't need the partnership. You don't need that relationship. Now you're free and you're whole and you're happy. Because I want you to understand something, that happiness looks so good on you, and happiness is contagious. So even if that person did not want to talk about you, wanted to keep you a secret, never wanted to really move forward with you because you're happy, now they want to come and join in. It's kind of like back then, you didn't want me, but now I'm hot and you're all up on me. So now it's like it's too late. Because you have expanded, you've moved on, you've figured out so much about yourself. You're so happy. Because I want you to understand something, that lower energies in people, because for that person to keep you a secret and never wanted to make it known that they loved you, for that person to keep you a secret and never wanted to stand, empower, and protect and represent with you, For that person to want to keep you a secret, it shows ill intent in that. Now, since you are just on fire, you're just whole, and everything about you is right, and now they want to come forward. No, because you have to really question, why now? Why now? I'm successful now. Why now? I'm whole now. Why now? I have everything going on. Why now? Even some of you, you were successful and you were whole back then, and they did not want to move forward. So now you're just on a whole nother level of just spirituality, consciousness, attraction, production, prosperity, abundance, wealth, success, and wholeness and mindfulness. And now here they come, wanting to tell the world, but it's too late. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I still believe in you. Bye now.